Hi, lovely students. Welcome to English Vocabulary Booster. Today, we are going to learn 15 beginner to intermediate English vocabulary words for daily life. At the end of the video, there will be a quiz on all the words. Let's see how many questions you can answer correctly. Tell me your score in the comments below. Let's get started. Number 1 is reliable. Repeat after me. Reliable. Reliable is an adjective. It means someone or something you can trust because they do things well and on time. We use reliable to describe people, machines, services, or information that can be trusted. Now the synonyms are dependable, trustworthy, consistent. Sarah is very reliable. She never misses work. I need a reliable internet connection for my job. Now let's look at common collocations. Reliable person, reliable friend, reliable information, reliable service, highly reliable. Next word is exhausted. It means extremely tired, and it is an adjective. We use exhausted when tired is not strong enough. Now, the synonyms are drained, worn out, and fatigued. After working a 14-hour shift at the hospital, Sarah felt completely exhausted and fell asleep on the couch immediately. The hikers were exhausted after climbing the steep mountain trail in the summer heat. Common collocations are completely exhausted, physically exhausted, and mentally exhausted. Number 3 is convenient. It means easy to use or helpful because it saves time or effort, and it is an adjective. We use convenient for situations, places, times, or services that make life easier. Now, the synonyms are handy, practical, and useful. Living near the train station is very convenient because I can get to work quickly. Online grocery shopping is convenient for busy families who do not have much free time. Common collocations are convenient time, convenient location, convenient way, and very convenient. Next word is improve. It means to become better or make something better, and it's a verb. We use improve for skills, health, work, relationships, or performance. The synonyms are enhance, develop, progress. She practiced speaking English every day to improve her pronunciation and confidence. The company introduced new training programs to improve customer service. Common collocations are improve skills, improve quality, improve performance, greatly improve. Number 5 is avoid. It means to stay away from something or prevent something from happening. We use avoid when we do not want something negative to happen. Now, the synonyms are prevent, escape, and stay away from. He left home early to avoid the heavy morning traffic. Wearing sunscreen can help avoid skin damage during long hours in the sun. Common collocations are avoid mistakes, avoid problems, avoid traffic, and avoid stress. Number 6, confident. Confident means feeling sure about yourself. Use confident when talking about belief in yourself. The synonyms are self-assured, certain, positive. She felt confident during the presentation because she had prepared carefully. Despite the difficult questions, he remained confident and answered calmly. Common collocations are feel confident, confident speaker, confident attitude, self-confident. Number 7, manage. Manage is a verb. It means to control, organize, or handle something successfully. We use manage for work, responsibilities, emotions, or tasks. Now let's look at the synonyms: handle, control, organize. She learned how to manage her time better by creating a daily schedule. It can be difficult to manage a large team without clear communication. And finally, common collocations: manage time, manage money, manage stress, manage a team. Next word is opportunity. It means a chance to do something good or successful, and it is a noun. We use opportunity when talking about chances for growth or success. The synonyms are chance, opening, possibility. She saw the internship as a great opportunity to gain real-world experience in marketing. The conference gave him an opportunity to meet experts in his field. Common collocations are job opportunity, great opportunity, equal opportunity, miss an opportunity. Number 9 is important. Important means something that matters a lot, and it is an adjective. We use important to describe something that has value, significance, or needs attention. The synonyms are significant, essential, crucial. It is important to get enough sleep to stay healthy and focused during the day. Communication is important in any relationship because it helps avoid misunderstandings. Common collocations are very important, highly important, important decision, important role. Number 10, support. It means to help someone or something or to give assistance. We use support when we want to say that we help or stand with a person, idea, or system. The synonyms are help, assist, back. Her family continued to support her while she studied abroad, both emotionally and financially. The teacher provided extra materials to support students who were struggling with the lesson. Common collocations are support someone, family support, emotional support, financial support. Next word is decide. Decide means to choose something or make a choice. We use decide when someone makes a final choice after thinking. Synonyms are choose, determine, make a choice. After thinking carefully about the offer, she decided to accept the new job. We need to decide where to go for vacation before booking the tickets. Common collocations are decide quickly, decide carefully, difficult to decide. Number 12, prepare. Prepare means to get ready for something. We use prepare when we make ourselves or something ready for an activity or event. Synonyms are get ready, arrange, organize. The students stayed after class to prepare for the final exam together. He woke up early to prepare breakfast for his family before work. Common collocations are prepare for exam, prepare food, prepare speech well prepared. Number 13 is understand. Understand means to know the meaning of something or to comprehend it. We use understand when someone knows or understands information, ideas, or feelings. The synonyms are comprehend, grasp, follow. It took me a few days to fully understand how the new software works. Good teachers explain difficult topics in a way that students can easily understand. Common collocations are understand clearly, fully understand, try to understand. Number 14 is remember. Remember means to keep something in your mind or not forget it. We use remember when we think about something from the past or keep information in our mind. The synonyms are recall, memorize, recollect. Please remember to lock the door before you leave the house. I still remember my first day at school because I was very nervous. Common collocations are remember clearly, remember well, try to remember. Number 15 is practice. It means to do something repeatedly to improve a skill. We use practice when we want to get better at something through regular repetition. The synonyms are train, rehearse, repeat. She practices the piano every evening to improve her skills. With enough practice, you can become more confident in speaking English. Common collocations are practice speaking, daily practice, practice regularly, lots of practice. Great job! We have learned all 15 vocabulary words. Now, let's see how these words are used in a real-life context. Listen carefully to the following story and try to identify the vocabulary words you have just learned. Ready? Let's begin. Emma had always been a reliable employee. She arrived at work on time every day and completed her tasks carefully. However, after several busy weeks, she felt exhausted from working long hours. Fortunately, her company offered a convenient work-from-home option, which helped her save time and energy. Emma decided to use the extra time to improve her communication skills and professional knowledge. She also tried to avoid unhealthy habits, such as staying up late and skipping meals. As her skills improved, she became more confident during meetings and presentations. One of her biggest challenges was learning how to manage her time effectively. With practice, she became better at organizing her schedule and balancing her responsibilities. A few months later, Emma received an exciting opportunity to lead an important project. She knew she would need a lot of support from her team to succeed. The project required her to stay focused and pay attention to every detail. Whenever problems appeared, she remained patient and looked for practical solutions. During the project, Emma learned how to achieve her goals step by step. She also became more efficient, completing tasks faster while maintaining high quality. Whenever unexpected challenges appeared, she learned to adapt to new situations and continue moving forward. Her positive attitude helped her maintain a healthy work-life balance and strong relationships with her colleagues. In the end, Emma's hard work paid off. She successfully completed the project and earned the respect of her manager and coworkers. The experience taught her that success comes from continuous learning, determination, and the ability to grow every day. Now it's time for the quiz. Read each sentence carefully and choose the correct vocabulary word. If you need more time, feel free to pause the video. Let's see how many answers you can get right. How many questions did you answer correctly? Let me know your score in the comments below. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more English vocabulary lessons. Good luck, and keep practicing your English every day.